is how you make a dump truck. First, you need this, drop this, do that. Now, and oi, patubang. And then you're gonna need 2 wheels, just like this. You're gonna do it like that. Sige na to. So you're gonna need this to be the put it in the round place. Around like that. It was like that. You need this and then that. And then you need 2 of these. Put it in here. Get this. Put it in here. Oh shoot. Get this. One of this. One of this. Camera piece. Then I'm gonna use this. Like it's flat. Like that. It's gonna look like that. And then we need this. And a camera piece to be like that. And this white piece. White tile. Put it here. And then you're gonna need this. And then you're gonna need this part. Put it there. Like that. And then you're gonna do two. You're gonna need this. Okay. Oh shoot, where's it? What is it? Bus. You're gonna need this. And then you're gonna put it like that. Then you need 2 windows like this. Put one here and one like this. And you have a dump truck. Bye-bye.